Welcome to Atomic Habits, the small wins of Arjun. This video explores how focusing on tiny, consistent improvements can lead to monumental success. Arjun felt overwhelmed. The gap between his current self and his goals, being a cricket star, a top student, felt insurmountable. He saw the trophy, the mountain of success, and felt he could never reach it. His mentor advised him to shift his focus from the overwhelming mountain to the manageable pebbles. Small habits don't just add up, they compound over time. Success is a mathematical equation, not a lightning bolt. It's the invisible math of daily repetition. Getting 1% better every day results in being 37 times better by the end of the year. Law 1. Engineer the environment to make the habit obvious. Stop relying on willpower. Design your world so the right choice, like practicing cricket, is the easiest one to make. Law 2. Bundle habits to make them attractive. Pair something you need to do with something you want to do. Arjun bundled studying math with listening to his favorite music. Law 3. Shrink the scope to make it easy. A habit must be established before it can be improved. Don't try to play a whole match. Just start with 2 minutes of practice. Arjun faced the plateau of latent potential. For weeks, he saw no visible progress, but his work wasn't wasted. It was stored. Like ice melting at 32 degrees, results often appear suddenly after consistent effort. The undeniable proof of compounding time. Initially, there's little change, but after progressive adjustments and consistent buildup, an exponential growth occurs. Day 100 brought Arjun's breakthrough. Law 4. Cast votes for your new identity to make it satisfying. Every action is a vote for the person you wish to become. Arjun realized he wasn't just a kid who practices, he was a cricketer. The atomic mindset shifts focus from being obsessed with the trophy to being obsessed with the daily swing. It relies on engineering the environment, trusting compounding, and cementing an internal identity. In moments of pressure, Arjun trusts the system. He focuses only on the mechanics of his 1% daily swing, ignoring the crowd, expectations, or the trophy. Trust the system. Success is the product of daily habits. Greatness is the inevitable result of small, invisible choices. Strive to be 1% better every single day.